Now we are starting the main parts of the civil engineering. For the complete drawing of the residential building for a civil engineer, we need all these drawing. Okay, so this all drawing includes the front page of the drawing. We can put here a building drawing at the middle of this page. Okay, and you can also design according to your choice. So here you can include plot number, area number, roof area, coverage area, scale, and drawn by your name and checked by date etc. Okay, and here owner's address and ward number etc. After that, this is the box in which you will include all the plan, elevation section, and here you have to tell the title of this drawing, that trench, this is the trench plan and foundation plan. So I have written here trench plan and foundation plan, owner's name, location, drawn by scale etc. Okay, and this you should this box you should include in the drawing box. Okay, this is the sample page to print. Okay, after that, in this box we have to fill all the drawing like this. Okay, this drawing includes ground floor plan. Okay, first floor plan, and it may be vary, it may be first floor, second floor, third floor. Okay, I have created here second floor up to second floor plan, and you can draw like same. Okay, after that, east elevation, west elevation, south elevation, north elevation, section of the building. Okay, and here it is the site plan. Now after that, you have to draw the roof plan. Okay, roof plan of the building, slab top rebar details, and bottom rebar details. After that, you have to create a slab beam plan, tie beam plan, foundation plan, trench plan, foundation plan, and key plan etc. Okay, after that, you have to draw the section of the staircase, stairs, and you have to draw the reinforcement detail of the different column, stairs etc. according to the design. Okay, after that, in the drawing you have to also mention the reinforcement detail of the ground floor slab reinforcement, after that beam reinforcement etc. Finally, you have to create a location plan. Okay, so that we can show the location, exact location of the owners of the building in the drawing. After that, if possible, you have to also include the all reinforcement detail of shear reinforcement, like provide details of the stirrups in a beam, column, slab etc. Okay, you have to include the reinforcement detail of the stirrups, like diamond stirrups, rectangular stirrups, and the size of the stirrups etc. according to the design of the building. After that, you have to provide the development length. I will show you what is development length and how much should be the development length for different diameter of the rod. Now we have to also show the schedule of the opening, like door, windows, ventilation etc. in the building. So let's start. We will draw all the drawing one by one, and we will start from here, the ground floor plan.